This month for side flexion, we have a standing side flexion. This is a great exercise for that frontal plane stability all the way through from the cranium right down the sacrum and also into the hip. So your easy version here, you're just standing with the feet straddled, about a 45-degree angle in the hip, and you just work down, let the spine just arc, and then slowly come up, and come up. You can make it harder, going out to like a 90-degree angle in the hip, and then coming over further into it. So trying to reach right down, trying to not let the ribs flare or the butt stick out. Then you can start to make the lever harder, bringing it up in those positions. Then you've got the wave kind of position where you're going to tape it, imagine you've got an imaginary Swiss ball there, and I'm taping my spine down onto the ball, and then I peel it off. So what I'll do is I'll do one side for a minute, like that, and the other side for a minute. You make that one harder, same thing, just by raising the amount of weight that's away from here. So when I go over, coming down, stretch it out, roll up, and then you just come up to here, so you're really working in those obliques. You can use a mirror on the side to make sure you're not sticking the butt out or twisting. Coming down, square onto the mirror so you can see it. So 6 reps a side, 1 rep every 10 seconds. Like that, then you go into the other side. Remember, if you do find it a bit hard, it's not working for you, just stick to the basic one. Get that stretch, get that strengthen. Do one side and the other side. Try and keep it balanced. It's a bit tricky, so don't worry too much. Keep your tongue in the roof of the mouth. You just want to work on getting that nice stability through the obliques and not leaning forward, twisting, purely working in that frontal plane. So yeah, if you've got any questions with it, just let me know, send me a video, we'll get it stronger, get it healthier.